In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Discord. If you've blocked a user in the past and want to restore communication, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click without any guesswork. Unblocking someone simply allows them to message you again and show up normally in shared servers. It doesn't automatically add them as a friend or notify them that you changed anything. Start by opening Discord and clicking the Home button. This is the Discord logo in the top left corner of the app. Think of Home as your central hub. It takes you out of any specific server and into your personal space where your friends list and direct messages live. If you ever get lost in a server or a channel, the Home button is the fastest way back to your main dashboard. Next, go to Friends. You'll see this near the top of the left panel. The Friends view is where Discord groups your contacts into clear categories, so you can quickly find people you've added, those who are online, and, importantly for this tutorial, people you've blocked. Now, select the Blocked section. This is a dedicated tab that shows every account you've blocked from contacting you directly. It's helpful because you don't have to remember names or dig through servers. The list is all in one place. If you've been on Discord for a while, you may have more than a few names here, so take a moment to look through the list carefully. Find the person you want to unblock. Take a quick look at their avatar and tag so you're sure you've got the right account, especially if multiple users share similar display names. You're not taking any action yet, just identifying the correct entry in the blocked list. When you're ready, right-click their name and choose Unblock. That's the whole action. Once you select Unblock, the restriction is removed immediately. The user will once again be able to send you direct messages and interact with you in shared servers like any other member. They won't receive a notification that you unblocked them, and you can reverse this later by blocking them again if you need to. If you previously removed them as a friend, unblocking doesn't automatically add them back, but it does reopen the line of communication. And that's it. Open Discord and go home, head to Friends, switch to Blocked, locate the person, and right-click to unblock. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your conversations on Discord with confidence.